Hello and welcome to my week 3 rapid game prototyping game. This week's theme was Rebellion. My game is called The World's Worst Employee, where the concept behind this game is that you're rebelling against the store which you work at, trying to annoy customers, all while trying to not be fired for your actions. If you get fired or sacked, you will end up failing the game. You've got to try and get through your work day while trying to annoy as many customers as you can without being caught. The player can annoy the customers by throwing products at them, as well as tipping their trolleys over and just trying to be as annoying as possible towards them. The modifier for this week was making your own sound effects. This comes into my game from if a customer is annoyed, show their frustration through making a sound of a grunt, which was elegantly done by myself. If another employee hears this sound or sees you annoying a customer, they will come over and you will be fired. If the player is fired, they will be met with an end screen which will show how many customers they have annoyed, but if they don't get fired, they will be met at the end of their shift with a shift over screen which will equally say the amount of customers which they have successfully annoyed within that day. In the top left of the screen, in the little HUD, it will also keep track of how many customers you've annoyed that day. With this week's task, I have been able to build upon the original game which I made in game week 1, The Great Escape, which was also set in a supermarket, allowing me to introduce a trolley system, making it a bigger map and all-round improvements to a game which I thought could have been improved upon. I was also able to add different features, like the aiming mechanic, which has been something which I've been trying to work in another project for the university. This also came with setbacks, because with the trolley system, customers were getting stuck among each other. And as well, I needed to fix a bug where customers weren't actually able to leave the store. One improvement which I could have added was a punishment system. This being said, I hope you enjoy my game, and thank you very much for listening.